welcome to Information with Tepiso. I am Tepiso Rongachana, and you tuned into a session where I give you computer shortcut keys which can help you if you use computers quite a lot for your work. And if you visit using computers, this would be of great help to you. Just tune in as we go through the different shortcut key systems that you can use for, convenience and easy use of computers. The keyboard will have to be your best friend because throughout the use of these shortcut keys, we're going to be working on the keyboard and the mouse pad. So you need to know your keyboard very well, and also the mouse pad. I'm going to show you how to use it. All right. The first one is to select all the items that are appearing on the screen. So if you want all these items to be selected, what you need to do is to make sure that one of the items on the screen, these ones that you are actually working on, one of them is selected, and then you will have to now go into the keyboard, right? So if you want to select all of these, you click on Control is CTRL, and then you hold, and then you will go to A. You so simultaneously click Control and A. Then it will select all the items. As you can see, they are now turning blue because when they are not selected, they will be white like this. They won't have this blue block, right? You see, I just clicked on or selected this one. So all of them are now deselected. But if I want to select all of them, it's Control A, right? And then all of them are now selected. Let's say, for example, you want to copy one of them, right? If you want to copy one of them, you just select the one that you want to copy. It will be highlighted in this blue square, and then you will go to Control, you click Control, and then you will click C simultaneously with Control. Okay, and then it has copied that particular picture, and then you can click on the side to deselect that so that you can paste that particular picture in this folder. For pasting, you click Control and V. You can see it has pasted that particular picture and added number 1 to it so that it makes a copy of it, right? Now I have to take you to how to cut, right? To cut this image from this folder, you click on Control, you hold, and then click X. Then it will select or faint the selection of that particular picture, and then you can paste it. Remember, to paste, what do you have to click? Control V, right? And then that picture is pasted on the desktop. Are we good? So if you want to delete it, you can either just select it and click on delete on your keyboard, or you can select it and then right click and then go to delete here. Okay, if you want to undo what you just did, for example, you deleted that picture and you still want it, right? You made a mistake by deleting it. You will, for undoing the work that you just did, you click Control and then Z at the same time. So Control Z. Recap: if you don't want this image on the desktop, you put it by mistake, what you have to do is click Control and Z, right? And then if you want to redo the pasting of the picture, or you want to see whatever that picture appearing on the screen again, you have to click Control Y. All right? Now that picture is back. You see? Control Z, it's gone, it's to undo. Then Control Y is to redo what you just did, right? To select all, you go to Control A, and then to select one, you just go to it with the mouse. You click on that one that you want to select. To copy, you Control C, and then it has copied. You will go paste it wherever you want to paste it. And then for cutting, you will click on Control X, and then it will cut that particular picture or file, and then to paste it, it's Control V. Are we good? All right, ladies and gentlemen, those are the first basics that you need to know about computer shortcut keys that you can use whenever you are working on the computer, whether you're working on a Word document, whether you're writing an email, anything that you're doing that you can select all, copy and paste, and cut and paste, redo, undo, you can employ those shortcuts on. And I hope this was beneficial. Stay tuned for more shortcut keys for computer use and convenience. This is Information with Tshepiso, and see you in the next upload.